So pivoting a little bit, we talked about having a high standard and a standard of reliability. And you told me that you feel the aviation industry is the one to look at in that sense. And can you explain why you said that?
Yeah, exactly. So one thing, every time that we see some discussions about site reliability engineering or stuff like that for software engineering, we use it as a benchmark. For example, very big companies like Google, like Facebook, like Twitter, and so on. So it's super nice to check those scores of those guys, but those guys are not a benchmark of reliability ever. So, for instance, for example, and aviation, for example, last year we have 39 millions of flights. So during the 2019, for instance, and we had less than 290 fatalities during this whole year. And if we check the aviation industry, it's a case that as long as the aviation learns from the lessons of the bad things that occurs in the past, more reliable the aviation it is. So it means that we are talking about right now in systems, for example, one aircraft, systems that critical systems needs to have a chance in a 10 billion to fail. So that's the level of reliability that we are talking about. Not, for example, a company that, for example, has some kind of policy like let's break stuff and move things and break stuff. It's not like that anymore. So, and especially when you need to make some kind of pneumatic decisions that involves other human beings inside your platform. So you cannot have this kind of mindset. So you need to deliver reliability, and that's and if I need to define MLOps in a single word, for me at least it's reliability. So make those platforms reliable, not only in terms of the service level, but in terms of track the several different artifacts of the data and the code also.
Beautifully put.